Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me today with Stamping and Creating with Loretta. I'm Loretta Roger and I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's project incorporates both stamping, which is my all-time favorite thing to do, along with a bunch of paper crafting and Shrinky Dink brand plastic. The Shrinky Dinks are prevalent throughout this page. I used a Recollection fall themed stamp set, and I used my AccuCut Grand Mark die Build an Album pumpkin for the pumpkin piece. It is actually fused together using my heat gun, and I will talk you through that process during the video. I will cut out a bunch of this, and I will also be just sharing bits and pieces, but for the most part I plan to edit the video, upload it in fast forward mode, and just add some music. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this. Stamp happy. Be a blessing. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now, everybody. I'm glad you watched my brief FaceTime introduction to this video, where I stated I would be taking you through some of the steps of this process. However, for me to be able to do that and edit this video down to a reasonable amount of time, this video would have run about 45 minutes. So I've decided, kind of last minute I guess, to put you guys in 16 times fast forward mode and just let this video run with some music. I hope you enjoy the music. If you don't, turn it off and just watch the video. I will tell you that as you watch the Shrinky Dink part of this video, you will notice that when I started to shrink down the pumpkin pieces, the very first one I tried to shrink gave me some problems, and so I had to keep working with it until I was able to get it flattened out. And as I went along and added pieces to the top so that I could fuse them together, I just kept reheating them with my heat gun. I used a pair of tweezers that I have on my desk. They actually have a scoop M for beads on the other end, I guess, of the tweezers to make beading a little bit more easy. And I used this particular tool yesterday to clean off my acrylic block. Now you're seeing the other half of it with the Shrinky Dink plastic. I do highly recommend that you try shrink plastic. It's a lot of fun. So enjoy the video, everyone. Please don't forget to rate and comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thumbs up this video. Don't forget, my blog redo is now complete, and you need to check that out. The information will be down below somewhere in this video or in the description box. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care, everyone. Stamp happy. Be a blessing. Bye now.
There's got to be more than going back and forth, from doing right to doing wrong, 'cause we were taught that's who we are. Well, come on, get in line right behind me, you along with everybody, thinking there's worth in what you do. Then like a hero who takes the stage when we're on the edge of our seat, saying it's too late. Well, let me introduce you to Amazing Grace. No matter the bumps, no matter the bruises, no matter the scars, still the truth is the cross has made, the cross has made you flawless. No matter the hurt or how deep the wound is, no matter the pain, still the truth is the cross has made, the cross has made you flawless. Could it possibly be that we simply can't believe that this unconditional kind of love would be enough to take a filthy wretch like this and wrap him up in righteousness? But that's exactly what he did. No matter the bumps, no matter the bruises, no matter the scars, still the truth is the cross has made, the cross has made you flawless. No matter the hurt or how deep the wound is, no matter the pain, still the truth is the cross has made, the cross has made you flawless. Oh yeah. Take a breath, smile and say right here, right now, I'm okay, because the cross was enough. And like a hero who takes the stage when we're on the edge of our seat, saying it's too late. Well, let me introduce you to Grace, Grace, God.